What does the big picture look like for stem cells?
The big picture for stem cells is overwhelmingly exciting. I think there's no question that stem cell biology is just going to dramatically alter the way we practice medicine. Diseases in the past in which we really had no thought that we could possibly treat them are going to become treatable. But there's something that people have to keep in mind. It is not going to happen overnight. It's not going to happen next week. It's not going to happen next month. There's going to be a huge amount of work that's necessary to learn how to use the stem cells, to how to apply them to specific diseases, to get them to repair organs. Conceptually, there's no question in my mind that this will work, that it can work, but I know that it is just going to take many years of work. Am I impatient? Of course I'm impatient. But as a scientist and a physician, I know that it takes years of work, a lot of investment, and we just have to have the patience to make certain that when we go to do it, we do it the right way.
You've created in a mouse the same injury that your daughter has. Any success fixing it?
Yes, we have. We've developed a technique for injecting these nano-engineered materials into the spinal cord, where they create an environment within the spinal cord that allows the nerves to regenerate both up and down the spinal cord. And the animals regain quite a substantial amount of function when we do this.
What does it mean to see it work?
Well, as a scientist and as a neurologist, as a physician, if I see these treatments enabling any of my patients to regain any kind of function, well, then I'll know that it succeeded. As a father, I want to see my daughter walk again.
What I've always appreciated about my dad and my relationship is that he cares so much about me and he'd be willing to do anything for me, obviously. But he lets me live my own life outside of that. So even if he's obsessing over, finding a cure, doing his best, helping people, doing that, he doesn't put that burden on me. I don't go about things the way a lot of other people do. Meaning I know that a lot of the emails that I get are very much about my dad's work, and it is amazing how far they've come. But a lot of the emails are, when is it going to be ready for me? When is it going to help me? When is it going to do that? It's easy for me to not think about that side of it. It's easy for me to put it aside and say, that's his burden that he's carrying for me. He has taken that off of my shoulders, so I don't have to sit there and go, when is it going to be fixed? Because the day it is fixed, he will be the first one to tell me. And the day that something truly amazing breakthrough happens, he will be the one to tell me.